I'm sorry. The new Pokemon show is sucks. No offense to fans of it. I'm sorry, but the new Pokemon show sucks. Now my Wheelock 7001D is gonna have to roast those new Pokemon show, but I'm not gonna do that right now because it's closer breaking to the rules. So my Wheelock 7001D is gonna roast Artful Die of Death instead. Now, say what you want to say. Say something what you want to say. Real, I am actually stronger than you because I'm made with metal. I'm stronger than you. I could beat you all. I can beat your ass. I bet you can even beat me, Artful, because you suck as hell. You're nothing but pathetic. And you're also stupid. You snooch! And you know what? This is what you get. This is what you get, Artful. This is what you get, Artful. Now, Artful, I bet you were only born in Canada. Because most of those French people actually were born there. No. Some people don't. Some French people were born there. So if I just grab this now, who the hell is this guy? Are you thinking what I'm thinking right now? It's your fault. Now, sorry for being a Nico Avocado again. Now, shoot. Now, Artful, I just wonder if you hate this fire alarm. Artful of Die of Death. I'm just wondering if you hate this fire alarm for roasting you. Now, Artful Die of Death. My Wheelock 7001D already told you you're nothing but pathetic, cause you're probably one of the most useless character in the Roblox game. Artful Die of Death. If you were born if you were born as a French, you're probably half American, cause you were probably born in Canada, which you're closer to the U.S. And you know what? Forsaken is even better than Artful Die of Death. Anyways, he is stupid. He's also dumb too. Now that's what you get. That's what you get, Artful. That's what you get. That's what you get. Oh! It's Ashley's fault. Now, Ashley, say sorry for dropping this thing. Say sorry, Ashley. Say sorry, Ashley. Now, you may be noticing... Oh, shoot. What the hell is that? Don't tell me, because it's not Christmas today. It is not Christmas today. They just literally add a Christmas there, and they just turned it on. Now, that's just pathetic than I thought. Am I? Now, Artful Die of Death. I swear to God. If you actually steal some of my followers that I have, I am gonna sue Artful and I am gonna regret messing with. I'm gonna regret playing. I'm gonna regret choosing a skin from Artful now. Now, Artful Die of Death. In the case if you're wondering, you're so pathetic, literally. Your presence make me want to hit you so bad that it makes me want to push you downstairs. To be honest, it makes me want to feel like hitting you so bad. Or like the pizza guy. I'm not sure what's his name. The first second pizza guy, if you know what I meant, but I have a FPE flush. I have a FPE plushie. I have a FPE plushie that's coming today. Now, okay. Now I noticed. You know what happened to Roblox today? Unfortunately, the new vision of Roblox is nothing. I want to go back to old vision of Roblox now. I want to go there because I remember Forsaken used to be so new back in 2024. Now I hate newer fandoms, and I still love Forsaken. I don't need to move on, bro. Now what? Now I have my homework to do, and it's really like a long time since I have done that too many times. But prepare, guys. Prepare for the FPE plushie, cause you know what's coming. You know what's coming. Prepare for the FPE plushie. FPE plushie. Prepare, cause FPE plushie is coming today. Coming to meet the fire alarm, named Wheelock 7001D dash Wheelock 7001T dash Wheelock 7001C dash Wheelock 7001 tree.